Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure iOS and Messenger are updated, because old builds break background alerts. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Notifications for Messenger. Toggle Allow Notifications on and enable Lock Screen, Notification Center, and banners so alerts appear. Make sure sounds and badges are on, because badges show missed messages. Also check Control Center for Do Not Disturb or any focus that could be silencing Messenger. If active, either disable it or add Messenger to allowed apps. Next, you handle background processing so Messenger can push notifications reliably. Go to Settings General Background App Refresh and enable it for Messenger on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. This lets the app fetch messages. Then open Settings Cellular and confirm Messenger can use data, which is essential when Wi-Fi drops. If Messenger still fails to notify, sign out and sign back in to reset push tokens, and if that fails, reinstall the app to clear corrupted background processes that prevent notifications. To finish, restart your iPhone so the system reconnects to Apple Push Notification Service and applies the new settings. This often resolves lingering issues. If notifications are still missing, reset network settings to clear any network-level blocks, but remember this clears saved Wi-Fi passwords. Also open Messenger and check in app settings for notification customizations or muted conversations. Make sure your account-level notifications in Facebook or Messenger aren't disabled. If nothing works, test on another device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.